Hello and welcome to your Drupal CMS website training session. My name is TK, and in this basic training session I will be showing you how to content edit, insert and replace images, insert links, and downloadable PDFs. These are your basic editing steps you will need to know to maintain your website. Let's get started. First things first, we have to access the website to change any content, update photos. You can use whatever browser you prefer. We recommend Firefox to edit your website. So this is what I'm using right now, and in the top URL I'm going to type in the domain name of my website. And once you type in your domain name, you should land on your website. In the URL or address bar, please type in a / after your domain name, and then type in user. What this allows you to do is access the back end of the website. Your username and password will be provided to you, and simply just type it on in here and log in. We're logged in. Okay, so the great part about Drupal CMS is that when you're editing your content, the back end looks a lot like your live website. So it's really easy to navigate through to the pages you need to edit. So let's start with content editing. Right now we have a little bit of lorem ipsum in here. And say for the first sentence, I would like to bold this sentence and actually bring in some new content and move some paragraphs around. So simply just click on the edit button up in the top. Now we're in the editor. And in here you'll see the top banner image and the lorem ipsum text that was inserted here. Please never change the title name. This will change everything about your website and may unlink some pages. So this area, please do not touch. If you need to change your page titles, contact Cats Media and we will be more than happy to help you. Okay, so what I want to do is bold this top line. This area right here resembles a lot of the toolbar in Microsoft Word. And what we call this is the WYSIWYG in the content editor. So I'm going to be referring to this toolbar as the WYSIWYG. So I've just broken up my text there and I want to bold this sentence here. So what I'll do is I'll just find the bold button and this should bold your text. You can also italicize, underline. Your justification, your alignments are here for justification. You can revert, undo. Now we need to copy and paste content from a Microsoft Word file. Majority of people would like to do this. So what I recommend doing is opening up the Word file that you'd like to copy and paste from, highlight all your text. We need to take the formatting off all this text. It provides nothing but problems on a web page. So this is very simple to do. Copy and paste all your content from Word into a Word doc. I'm using text edit on a Mac. You can use Notepad on a PC. I've just pasted in my content. I'm highlighting it. And I'm just going to go up to format and I'm going to ask it to make plain text. And what this is going to do is bring it back to raw text. So I can implement formatting right within the web page. And this will not give me too much of a headache. Here's my content. I'm going to bold this. Change the font size to a larger font to resemble what my Microsoft Word doc looks like. Highlight the sentence and change the color to red. Okay. Any kind of spelling mistakes in here you can edit as well. Once you're done with your content editing, you can preview it. When you preview, it is not saving. So it shows your new page here. If you're happy with your changes, simply hit save down at the bottom. And there's your changes. Going back into the content editor, one thing many people ask is, oh, I made a change and I'm not sure how to undo it, and I'm not even sure how to get out of this page to get back to where I was. Up on the right hand side of the content editor, there's a little X box in the right hand top corner. You can simply hit this X box and it'll take you back to the screen you were at. Or you can hit the back button on your browser and it'll take you back one more page. Okay. Now we're going to move on to photos. I would like to replace a photo on this website. So I am going to find a picture here that I would like to replace. Okay. I need to replace this photo right here, or add a photo in here. So this is pretty simple to do. Hit edit on the top. We need to find out the size of this photo if we're going to replace it. Simply just click on the photo itself so it highlights it. And in your WYSIWYG toolbar, there's a little button here that looks like a little tree. And if you hover over top of it, it says insert edit image. We need to click on this. So when you click on it, it shows the link destination of where it's being pulled from off of the server in the image folder, and image description and an image title, which is very important to do. On the appearance tab, there's some more information. This is the information we need right here, dimensions of this image. So the dimensions of this image in particular is 488 pixels by 278 pixels. So I'm just going to minimize the screen, cancel out, minimize the screen. Here's my image I want to replace with. So I'm simply going to take this into my photo editor, and I'm going to check the size on this image. This image is quite large. It's 1600 pixels by 1063 pixels, and the DPI on it's 300 for resolution. I need to resize this to the dimensions of the picture I'm replacing. So I'm going to change this in here to 488 by 278. Okay. And the resolution I'm going to bring down to 72 DPI. No images online should be any more than 72 DPI. You can go a little higher, but then you run the risk of that picture being downloaded onto a computer when somebody wants to access your website and say they're on dial-up or they're on satellite internet. You're going to make their life very, very hard for that to happen. So try to keep your images quite small. With the resolution, you may have to adjust the resolution a little bit higher to get the quality you want with the image, but please just keep in mind for accessibility for your clients. I'm going to hit OK here. I resized it, not too bad. You may have some stretching or compression. Please feel free to make that image a little bit smaller or adjust the height of it so you can eliminate that stretchiness. I'm happy with this image, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save for web. Most editing programs should have Save for Web. If it does not, what you can do is just save normally. I'll go through the steps with you after this process. So we're just saving to web right now. Quickly go over that again. In Photoshop, you go to File, Save for Web. It's going to bring it up in a thumbnail view here. I'm going to change my file to a JPEG. Over here, it's telling me it's going to take 18 seconds to download on low internet speed, having the image at 100% quality. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to save it. You may need to adjust the quality if the timing is too high for download. So you simply just click on quality here and adjust this sizer down to a lower quality. And as you see here, when I brought it down to 12%, we lost a little bit of quality here, not too much. And it takes 2 seconds to download this at 56 kilobytes per second. So that's low internet speed here. That's pretty good download time, but I'm going to keep it at 100. I'm going to hit save. Please save images and any kind of content like your Word files on your desktop, even a PDF you may want to upload to your website, just for easy access, and then you can file all of the good stuff away when you're done. I'm going to save this onto my desktop, and I'm going to name my image with a bit of a description here. So I'm just going to call it CM Solution. Save it onto my desktop. Now I'm going to show you how to just normally save your image so you can replace it online or insert it online. Some people may not have the Save to Web feature, so you can just save normally. And what we just want to make sure is that the image is 72 dpi, and I will find that under Image, Image Size. You may have to look around your photo editor program to find this area, but this tells me here that I have a low quality image at 72 dpi, and this is the image size that's going to be uploaded, which is okay. Anything over 900 kilobytes will be too large. But if you absolutely need to have that image up there and you need that quality and you need that size, then go ahead and do it. Just please keep in mind, people on dial-up or satellite internet are going to have a very hard time accessing your website. Please keep that in mind. So I'm just going to cancel out here. I'm quite happy with that. And because you do not have the Save to Web feature, just go to File, Save As, and we're going to save it as a JPEG on the desktop. And like I said, please save it with a bit of a description that pertains to the image itself. And just hit save, and it will save on your desktop. And here it is. Just going to move the larger image out of the way. I know this is the one that I'm going to upload. Let's go back to the website. We're in the content editor here. I want to replace this photo. Highlight the photo, just click on it. Go to Insert Edit Image, click on this image. I'm going to change the image description to be like the file name I saved it as, or you can be a little more descriptive on it. Not too much though. So I'm going to call it CM Solutions. I'm going to copy and paste that into title as well. Now I need to upload my low quality image to the website. So going back to the browser into your content editor here, In this image URL area, this field, simply just click on the browse icon. In this area, this is your folder with all the images that are on your website right now. Okay? But the new image is not. So I need to upload it into this folder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on upload, click on browse, going to find that image on my desktop. CM Solutions, there it is. I'm going to open it. Now I have to upload it to the server into the image folder. Okay, there's a little bit of a process here, but it's imperative that you follow this process. My CM Solution image has been uploaded into that folder. Now I need to insert that file onto this web page. And there it is. There's my new description. There's my new title. I'm going to go over to appearance. Oh, my size is perfect here. And I've asked it to align to the bottom. You can align it to the left. You can align it to the right, middle, center. Many different features here for alignment. I've aligned it to the bottom. Advanced, you probably won't use this tab too much, so you can just forget about that and move on. Hit update, and there it is. There's your photo you just replaced, your image you just replaced. I'm happy with that. You can hit preview to preview it before the save. And there it is. And if you're happy with that, just hit save. And there it is. You can do the same process by uploading a new photo. Okay. Now, if you ever wanted to revert back to the photo that was there before, you can do so. And it's pretty simple to do because you have an image folder on your host server. You can access the image files again. So just click on the photo that you want to revert back to. Go to Insert and Edit to Image. Click on the Browse button. And in your image folder, we can browse through to the image that was there before. So I'm simply just going to quickly go through some of these pictures here and find it. Okay, I've found the image, I've selected it, I've highlighted it, and I'm going to hit insert. Now I'm going to check on appearance to make sure my dimensions are right. And they are. So great, I'm going to hit update, and there's my old picture, and I'll hit save down at the bottom. And there's my old picture that I've replaced back in. Now I'm going to show you how to insert a link onto your web page, either with text or image. On this web page, I'd like to link Timeless Beauty to an outside website. So what you need to do is open up another tab and type in the URL of the website you'd like to link to. If it's the home page, that's great, just stay there. If it's an internal page, find the internal page that you'd like to link up to. Okay, here it is. In the top toolbar, please copy the domain name in the top URL, all of it. I'm going to copy it and save it onto the clipboard. I'm going to go back to my web page and click on Edit. In my content editor, I'm going to highlight Timeless Beauty here. And I'm going to look for the chain link icon in the WYSIWYG toolbar. And there it is, Insert Edit Link. In the pop-up, under link URL field, copy in the domain that you just copied from your other tab here. Under target, change to open a new window. And what this does is that it allows the viewer to click on the link, and when they click on that link, another browser will pop up, leaving your website still in the background, and it doesn't close it out or veer them away from your website. Give it a title. Timeless Beauty. You can give it any title you like. And I'm going to hit insert. If you hover over top of the content here that you just linked, your little description of Timeless Beauty will pop up, and an underline will show underneath the content to let you know that there is a link enabled here. You can preview or hit save. I'm going to hit save. Okay. Now, when someone hovers over top of Timeless Beauty, the description will pop up, and it's clickable to take them to the linked website here. If you just X out, I'll slowly click on this, and you will see the pop-up of the link, leaving your website still in the background. So click on it, and here's the new pop-up. I just broke that off there, and I'll just show you that the website's still in the background here. So it doesn't veer the viewer away. So we know that works well. Now I want to add an image link. So quickly I'm going to add an image here. Just going to place it at the end of my content. I'm going to add my image. And I've added my image, and I want to link this image. Okay. So I'm just going to highlight the image, go back to my chain link, insert edit link. Get my website that I want to link that image to, copy the domain. It's naturally going to put in the HTTP here. Okay, there it is. I want it to open in a new window. I'm going to call this, give it a title. Now hit insert. You can preview or save. I'm going to save. Scroll on down to this image, hover over top of it, and there we go. It's letting me know that there's a link here. It's giving me my description. I'm going to click on it. It's opened it up in a new browser tab here, so it didn't veer me away, veer me away from the website. It's still in the background here. So I know these work great. So I've just linked content, and I have linked an image. If you ever need to unlink these two pieces, click on Edit. And what you just need to do on the content is just click somewhere on the piece of content that has been linked, or you can highlight it. I just usually put my cursor on it. Okay, in my top toolbar, it shows me that this piece of content there's a link on it, and I have the option to edit or unlink it. Okay, I want to unlink it, so I'm just going to hit unlink, and it unhighlights this area. So Timeless Beauty is now unlinked. I'm going to go down to my image, click on it. It's letting me know that this image, there's a link on it. I'm going to unlink, and I'm going to unlink, and it's unlinked that image. I'm going to hit save. Okay. If I hover over top of both pieces now, you'll see that the content that I linked up is now unlinked and the image is now unlinked. I cannot click on them. Okay. Now I want to add a PDF to my website. Find the page you'd like to add your PDF to. Okay. I'm going to add my PDF to the conference room title here. Basically works the same way as inserting a link. So what we need to do is find the page, click on the edit button. Okay. Find the verbiage you want to link up the PDF to. You can do link a PDF onto text or an image, so I'll do both. Highlight the text, click on Insert Edit Link. I'm going to browse on my computer for this PDF. PDFs should be in small file size. They should not be any more than 1 megabyte. If they are, it's going to be very hard for any clients that are on dial-up or satellite internet to download this PDF. So please keep that in mind when you're developing your PDF, that you save it as small file size for web. If you need it for print, you can certainly have it as big as you need it to be. So I'm going to browse for my PDF. I need to upload it because it's not on my host server. I'm going to browse. I found my PDF that I would like to upload. My size of this PDF is 611 kilobytes, which is great. It's going to be good for downloading. So I'm going to hit open, upload the PDF into your image file folder. Insert it. I always change a PDF download target to open a new window. Same rule for inserting a link, to open up in its own window so that the website's still in the background and they don't accidentally exit out or don't hit page back to go back to the page that they were just on. Give it a title. I always like to sort of say what the PDF is, so I'll call it CATS Media Pricing List Download. Hit insert, and you'll notice that this is showing it's a link now. Okay. And if you hover over top of it, there's your description of what it is. Now I'm going to show you how to link a PDF to an image. I found the area that I want to insert my image, so I'll do so right now. I'm going to use the Say Hello image that we use for linking a website to. Give it a description and title. Insert it, and there it is. Now we need to attach a PDF to this. So I'm going to highlight it, click on it, find your Insert Edit Link button, click on Insert Edit Link, and I'm going to link up to the PDF that I linked to the piece of text above on this web page. And because I've already uploaded it to the host server, into the image folder, it should be already there, and there it is right here. Or if you need to upload a different PDF, please find it on your computer if you can save all PDFs, any pertaining information that you need to upload to the website, save it onto your desktop for easy finding. This is my new PDF. Hit open. We're going to upload it onto the host server into the image folder. I'm going to insert the file, and there it is. Okay. I'm going to have the target as open a new window and give it a title. Hit insert, scroll down, hit save. Now, conference room, when you hover over top of it, you'll see Cats Media pricing list download. If you click on it, it opens up into a new tab in your browser, and there it is. You could print from this PDF or save it onto their desktop or destination folder. Just X out here, and there's your website in behind. Let's go down to the image. Let's see if that linked the PDF okay. There's your description, say hello. And there it is. Same thing. Now, if you want to edit a link or edit the PDF that you want as a download on your website, I'm going to show you how to do this now. You may need to edit your PDF here, change it to a different one. So I'll show you how to do this right now. Let's click on the edit button up the top. Okay. And we can just put our cursor on the text that has the downloadable PDF. Okay. And now we want to edit that link because we're going to change a new PDF to a new PDF, sorry. Click on insert edit link. We're going to edit. Okay. I may have a new pricing list here. So I'm not going to change the title of it because it's a new pricing list, but I'm certainly going to change the file. So I'm going to browse for the new PDF on my computer. Small. Why is it? Okay, so it's uploaded. We're going to insert the file, and it has changed the PDF into the new one. Okay. You can certainly edit the title if you'd like to, but because I'm revising the pricing list, it's going to stay the same. I'm going to click Update. And I'll do the same to the Say Hello icon. And because the PDF has been uploaded into my host server, into the image file folder, I can access it right within the folder itself. You don't need to upload a new PDF. So I'll just click on the new revised PDF, insert, hit update, hit save. And we'll just test out that it's the new PDF. And both links are. Just remove the PDFs now from the piece of content here and from the image here. Basically the same as removing a link. So open up your content editor by hitting edit, find the piece of text, put your cursor on it, find your unlink button in your WYSIWYG toolbar, click on link, and you can do the image as well at the same time. Highlight the image and click on link, and click on save now. It looks like the PDF downloads have been taken off successfully. So these are the basic editing steps you'll need to know when you're editing your website. These are the basic skills you will need to content edit, insert and replace images, insert links, and downloadable PDFs. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at 905-885-9998, or you can contact your CSR. Thank you.